And there the cadet commander invites the beautiful sister of the late Christian Atsu Chasam to inspect the cadet, ably assisted by Assistant Headmaster Academic.
Samasa Adina Jadi Christian Achuniaba Achupi T.I. Amadia Senior High, Poti Anasabre. I'm expecting God of honor, no.
Oh, and although our brother is late, although he's out of sight, but forever in our heart. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget, on the 17th of March, right at the forecourt of the State House, we are going to witness the final funeral rites of our brother, the late Christian Atsu Chasam.
Media for na beba ni faso mame. Media for na beba ni faso mame. Media for no. Yes, Ramwa.
Once again, so up, 2, 3, in plus ada. Once again, so up, 2, 3, in plus ada. Match. Left, right, left. 4, 3 runs. Left, right, left. Let's say. Right. Yes. 1, 2, 3.
And then we say, rest in perfect peace, Christian Atsu Chasam. He lives on.
Front.
And please don't forget, 17th of March, right at the forecourt of the State House, going to witness the final funeral rites of our late brother, Christian Atsu Chasam. And truly, the tree that provided shade for many has now fallen. Christian Atsu Chasam. And I could see some members of the family tearing up, some others consoling themselves. Surely it shall be well. this well.
On the right. 4, 1.
Some team players quiet. Witnessing this sorrowful moment of the late Christian Atsu Chasao. Any dear moi, Nyankopon Eya Doma on the 17th of March, right at the forecourt of the State House. Ana yebebo modia na yaye eyino. Eno nti mesrewa ya no wa hyene nso. Na wabɔ modia sɛ obema onyina ate ana ahunu. And we'll plead with the media to please move back. Thank you. And that's a very beautiful display by the 14th TI Amas, doing this in lovely memory of the late Christian Atsu Chasao. And early on we had the Minister of Youth and Sports present,